Here we go. Here we go. We are live. Live. Let's go ahead and announce. Let's go ahead. Share the screen. Window. Boom. Boom. Oh man, like I said, US 30 was gonna pull down for us. I might put a small position in right here. Not even gonna hold you. Might get a Nas instead. TBH. Damn, this is bright. Might get a Nas instead. Let's see. Just text me. I'm on a stream. I'm streaming. Just text me. Just text me. Let's see. US 30 could definitely buy off of this. Same with Nas. Listen, I'm gonna buy right now. Okay? It doesn't mean you should. I'm gonna buy a small position. I'm gonna buy a small position on Nas. Small position on Nas, small position on US 30. If you're asking me where the stop loss is, you missed the point of this program. Do not risk anything more than you can lose. This is not financial advice. If you want financial advice, talk to a financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor. This is just me telling you what I'm doing. Just my personal opinion, not financial advice. Well, I'm going with the idea that we're just going to rocket ship. Okay? I'm not going with the idea that we're going to have a manipulative wick of any sort. We can. So please don't be full margining anything. All right? We could have manipulative wicks. So keep it in mind. We could pull down on US 30 to potentially, potentially as far as 47,842. I could see us coming down here. So be aware of that. Be aware. I'm just throwing small lots on these for fun. If we start to run, I'll pile in a little bit, but this is where, listen, FOMC will slap your neck. So I'm not telling anybody to go throw it all on this. Bro, straight up, these things could just do whatever the hell they want to do. It can do whatever the hell it wants to do. With rate cuts, though, we should be. I think we'd be able to. Let me see. Somebody saying gold. Gold. Who gives a shit about gold, man? Gold should I think gold goes up on rate cuts as well. I'm not sure. Maybe it goes down. I actually have no idea. I haven't done much gold to be honest. So gold's for the guys that don't have the balls to do the Nas and US 30. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. All right, well, I'm in buys on both, so small, tiny positions to where even if this tanked 100 points, it wouldn't affect me at all. So keep that in mind. This is just fun for us. I would not recommend going full margining or risking a bunch of your account on this. Okay, if you're asking for a stop loss, you missed the point of today's program. Oh man, a bit of a resistance here, but I mean honestly, none of these technicals matter when you have fundamentals. So we're just in there. We're just gonna see what happens. This thing could go literally like that. So we'll see. We shall see. I want to watch the thing with you guys. I want to watch. I think it's on YouTube, right? Better Reserve or whatever. Oh no, they're just gonna announce the rate, and then I think they talk about it after. So from 425 to 4, if it goes any lower than 0.25, oh sorry, from 450 to 4. Oh sorry, this is old data. From 425 to 4. Yeah, I was right. My bad, I'm tripping. If they cut it by like 50 basis points, if they do like a big rate cut, I'm telling you, shit's gonna go crazy. If it's another 25, you'll still have a nice push up, and it'll probably still go pretty crazy. But if they cut it by like 50, bro, shit. Yep, so having that pull down that I was mentioning. Look at this, having a double top here. We could literally go like this. Ready? Could literally go like this. Could literally go boom, boom. Or we could go bang right here, bang. So we'll see. We'll see. Imagine they increase it. Oh, imagine they go against everybody and they're like, oh, no, we're going from 425 back to 450. That shit would tank. But it's literally like, it's almost a for certain that they're cutting rates again. So, yeah. Pretty crazy. We're going to be at 4. Pretty crazy. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. Look at that. That's a good sign. 5-minute closes like that. Boom. Off to the races. Let's see. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. You see TJR called shorts. Did he? Huh. Well, to be fair, like I said, if he's calling shorts, I mean, like I said, there's a possibility this thing shoots down and then you have your explosion, like I said. So I'm telling everybody, don't put your damn house on this shit. Please. Please don't. Because it could very well short and then fly. But if interest rates go down, indices will fly. Whether it happens immediately or whether it happens in an hour or 2 hours or tomorrow, the idea is interest rates go down, US 30 and nows go up. Take me to the place I love. This is just an arcade game for me, bro. at this point. Let's get to the 1 minute on US 30. Here we go. 19, 18. Let's do a countdown. This shit looks like it could have that wick. Boom. Could have that drop. We'll see. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it goes. Watch. Check it out. Check it out. It's getting volume. We're getting volume. We're getting volume. It's funny because my MetaTrader's faster. We're actually up right now. There we go. 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 Oh my God. This was crazy. Look, it looks like it wants to come down. We'll see. Give it a minute. Give it a minute. Give it a minute. This is how we're moving to the markets right now, guys. Oh! Woo! Look at that. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. I haven't really made the move yet. We're showing that we do want to continue up. Haven't made the whole entirety of the move yet. They kept it the same. Is that true? Did they really keep it the same? Because if so, I'm going to get out of this. If they didn't cut rates again, I'm going to get out. Because that was the whole point. If they cut rates, we were flying. But they didn't cut rates. They didn't cut rates, ladies and gentlemen. Could honestly see sells. Since they didn't cut rates, we could see sells. Straight up. Let's see. No rate cuts, but no increase. Not what I was hoping for. That's crazy they didn't cut rates. That's really crazy, actually. I mean, it's better than them increasing it. That they, didn't do anything. I mean, we're still looking bullish as of this second. That's why we didn't get that blast off moment. We would have had a blast off moment. I mean, we got a little push. But I mean, like, if they cut rates, this thing would have been up here by now. It would have been a new all-time highs, literally right now. We'd be up above this for sure. Easy 100 points on NAS immediately almost, and then easy 200 points on US 30. So that's what happened. That's why in that first second, I was like, that's why I was sitting there like, I was like, wait a minute, something's not right here. Yeah, in that case, TJR might be right. Might be in for sells. Sell that motherfucker. Sell it. Sell it. Take me to the place. Take me on the way. Look, it came right down to my my place here. I'm selling buys, guys. Take me right here. And honestly, though, like, I don't even really want to hold this. Like, I'm in a few positions, but I'm gonna close some positions and just let it do its thing. Because this is like going to a theme park and thinking you're getting on one ride, and then like they only have like a fucking merry-go-round, and you think you're getting on like Sheikah. You know what I mean? Like, you think you're getting on some crazy roller coaster, but then you're just getting on a little merry-go-round, riding a little horsey. And it's like, this isn't gonna this basically is gonna do nothing to the market. That's why it's done nothing to the market. Oh, look at this range we made, 846 to 926. Not even 100-point range off the open of the news. Ooh. 25 faster facts. Yeah, I'm still holding some buys. But honestly, like, again, not even worth it. Not even worth it because we're probably not going to go break highs. And if we do, then cool, whatever. But could see some sells. Probably retest here and continue down on Nas. Definitely get out of my Nas positions. Take me to the place I'm. Take me away. Tell you what, though, we break right here. Yeah, it's gonna sell through here. It's gonna sell through here. So everybody's going, oh, we're not cutting rates again. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. I'm out. Probably come down to here. 780. But again, there's no volume. There's no volume either way. Whether you're buying or selling, there's no volume because of this. Because we're even with what we were last time. We forecasted to be. Oh, I'm sorry. We did cut rates. What? Am I retarded? Wait a minute. What the fuck is going on then? Bro, I'm restarted, bro. Look at this. Previous 4. I don't know why I saw this as this, and this is like, you know what I mean? So we did cut rates. So this should go up. It should go up. But this is a really weird. There's your grab on Nas. This is a really weird rate cut time because it should go up. Well, then I'll get another small position on Nas and just see what goes on. Dude, I'm restarted, bro. Not bad. I really thought it stayed the same when I saw this. Yeah, LOL. But this is like, bro, fuck this. You know what we got to wait for? Probably got to wait for this. Wait for the press conference. Good to know they cut rates, though. That's good for a lot of other things as well. Let's see how the crypto's doing. See how crypto's doing. Send me to the place alone. Oh, now we just wait. I'd still believe in buys. Now we just wait. Bitcoin is Bitcoin's down. So again, could be that dip down before the push up. Big boy entries get in place, but this the amount of lack of volume here is just appalling. Like, what's going on? FOMC isn't dangerous anymore. I wanted to get a little dangerous, bro. Like, make it a little dangerous for us. Come on, man. What is this? This is a joke. This is a joke, man. Absolute joke. What are these markets? Where's the manipulation? Get Trump on the phone. We need Trump to say something. All tariffs are off. Like, hey, look, we did it. That's all we had to say. That's all we had to say. All tariffs are off. Look at that. Who would have known? Who would have known? Me saying that would just get us to make the break. Let's go. Watch. We're going to break right here, and we're going to continue to push up. Right? Ready? All tariffs are now off. Again, there's negative tariffs now. We're actually getting negative tariffs. Could you believe it? Oh, Larry Fink, you want to get in some positions? All right, let me knock down. We're considering some tariffs. That's just, look at this shit. If we break here, we'll be looking pretty good. We did close above the 1 minute right here, and we're bouncing off the top of it. If we break here, we'll be looking pretty good. But right now, this is boring. I thought it was going to be a fun FOMC. I thought it was going to be rate cut, and then like every other rate cut to the moon. But we are really overbought. Not to say this isn't going to move in the next hour or 30 minutes or 10 minutes. Not to say it's not going to happen. Because I still believe in the bias here, especially after this. So, yeah. We need to break this though. Oh yeah, so okay, yeah, so I'll let everybody know all the tariffs are off. Larry, thanks. I'm glad you got your positions. All tariffs are off, everyone. All tariffs are off. It's go time. You are now allowed to break the 47,919 area. And whenever you guys are ready, just inject that liquidity. You might want to come down and retest, maybe get some more positions at the 895. But all the tariffs are off. This double top is actually scary if this does double top right here, because then that means we come down to here. So keep that in mind. If this does double top, it is only a 1 minute double top, but it could mean we come down to this middle point again or even lower down to here. So keep that in mind. Definitely need to see a break of this. If not, then yeah. So like I was saying, all the tariffs are off. EU drop in, watch the stream. This makes no sense. Hopefully we get volatility to 230. Fed says it will stop shrinking balance sheet on December 1st. Bro, tripping. Yeah. Hey, you can break the 919 now. Yeah, break the 919. Go ahead, Larry, Elon, Warren, inject the liquidity now. Inject the liquidity now. That's literally what it is. Watch. Give it this 1 minute candle. It's gonna be this 1 minute candle, or it's not gonna be this 1 minute candle. It's either gonna come down from here and we're gonna be a true double top right here, and we're gonna start to show face on this bearish, or we're gonna blow through this. This 1 minute candle determines it all. This 1 minute candle determines it all. This is the 1 minute of your life you've been waiting for. I hope my entertainment's good enough. Okay, we still got 17 people on here. Hey, we got 17 people on here, 18 people, but only 7 likes. Go ahead and drop a like, man. Appreciate you if you do. If not, honestly, get the fuck out of here. No, I'm just kidding. If I'm right on this 1 minute candle, you need to drop a like. That's my deal with you. That's my deal with you. That's my deal. That's my deal. Look, we're already breaking. So if I'm right, you all need to drop a like. If I'm fucking right and it looks like I might be in a second, look at that. The 1 minute candle broke up. Close above right here. Closure above the previous. Now look, this is the second most important 1 minute candle of your life. We need to see it break these wicks. We really need to see it break these wicks. Yeah, this is the slowest, most disgusting FOMC I've ever seen in my life. What is this? This is a joke, bro. This is a joke. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Yeah, Bitcoin looks like it wants to go up now. Oh, we were just at 921. I saw it. All right, I'm just hanging out. Yeah, look. Yeah, this is a good candle here, but now we're gonna pull back down to at least here. Could pull all the way to this middle point, like I said. So be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Or all the way down to here, and then if we go through there, we're selling. We're selling off. How ugly this all is. This isn't even fun. This FOMC wasn't even fun. I don't even care if it flies to this point. This wasn't fun. I wanted to have a small position and just let this thing rocket off like it usually does, but it didn't. We'll see at the 2:30. We'll see at 2:30. We got 17 minutes, so we'll see. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. We're tanking! We're tanking! This 1 minute looks like it wants to play out. 1 minute double top I was calling out. So like I said, first most important, 1 minute candle. Second most important right here. This one told us we didn't really want to break, to be honest. This one said, fuck all y'all. So now we probably come down to here. Watch. 47,850. Take me to the place I love. 47,850 right here. Could come down to there again. I mean, I like that we rejected right here. I like that we came down, rejected right there, and have stayed above there for the most part. So, all right, these next 5 to 15 minutes will tell us a lot. So we'll see. Honestly, I don't even want to get involved in sells just because I don't even believe in it. I don't even believe in sells long term, so I don't care to sell it down a couple hundred points on sells. If we do have like big sells, if you do want to get in sells, take it down to the 750. If you were to get in sells, let's see what Nas is doing. This is the ugliest FOMC I've ever seen. Yep, told you. Look at that. Came right here. If we're gonna break through down here and continue up, we'll see. And honestly, if you did want to have like some form of a stop loss, it would be down here. It would be right down here somewhere. And if you wanted to be a little bit safer, a little more conservative, a little less of a tight stop loss, be like 820. Tight stop loss would be like really tight stop loss would be like 836. That's a really tight stop loss. But really, if we break and close beneath here, pretty much selling, which is ironic. But yeah, look at that 5-minute closure. We're gonna sell. Probably gonna sell right through here. We'll see. It doesn't know what it wants to do. I forgot technicals don't matter during FOMC, and there you go. I mean, this is all just 1-minute movements though, so it doesn't matter. 5 minutes says, technically speaking, if this was all just technicals, we're going to retest right here like we just did, and we're going to continue down. That's what the technicals are saying. Look at all this structure built up in here. We broke down on a 5-minute bearish engulfing, retest this structure, continue down. But it is FOMC, and they did just cut rates, so who the fuck knows? That's a guess. Even with the technicals, that's what the technicals say want to happen. But even with the technicals, it's a guess because FOMC, especially how it's playing out, could do whatever the hell it wants to do. Because rate cuts should have made this thing fly. They didn't. And maybe now this is big boy saying, hey, we want to get in. We want a better position. Or the market's already priced in the rate cuts, and that's why you saw today go all the way up here. That's why you saw this right here. Structure, boom. That's why you saw this all today. Right, because rate cuts were already priced in the markets, and that's why we had a 600. What is that? 47, 600 to 48, like 100. That's why we had a 500-point move to the upside from this morning. Rate cuts were already priced in, potentially. We'll see. So, like I said, guys, this is the point we got to get above right here. Same spot. If we're going to continue up, we need to break this first. We need to start pushing back up above this MA, and then we need to break above here. So, you still in? Yeah, I am. I'm still in. All right, we got 10 likes and 19 people in here, man. I need a like. I need a like from the other 9 people. I'd appreciate it. At the very least, are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Actually got a good entry on Nas. Decent entries on US 30. I got like a plethora. I'm like super small risk though. Like I'm risking barely anything, just for fun. Because I don't play with my money, so it doesn't play with me. That's why I tell my mentorships. I say, hey, don't play with your money, and I won't play with you. It's that simple. So, and if I do play with it, I play with like penny lots. If I saw something, if I saw something like, yeah, this is pretty nice, this retest of structure here, and to continue up, this is a decent entry. Like this is kind of nice. Could put a pepper a little more on here because of that, but big lot trading news is like, if I'm in a big lot trade news, I'm gonna put $1,000 in an account, maybe a few thousand, and I'm just gonna full send that shit. I'd be full margined right now in this on buys down here. I would have just, but I'm not really trying to do that because I know how overbought we are. Look at all this. 1, 2, a gap, 3, 4, 5 daily bullish candles, at least so far. See how this one closes. I wonder how this 30 minutes going to close. Yeah. See, if we close a 30-minute like that, like structure, boom, looks pretty good to continue. Look at this double top here. Left to right, down, literally an M on our screen. And what do? Break below the middle point. Hope you guys are learning something. Just waiting, I guess. Waiting to see if we either break here or we break here, this structure. We're either going to break this structure to the downside, or we're going to break this structure to the upside. So we either break the 47,925 wicks here, 26 wicks, or we break the 47,839. And once we get like a 5-minute closure beneath, I should say if 47,845, 47,845, 47,856. Yeah, look at that. Either the last grab or we're continuing down. Oh, good rejection. Decent for now. And lowest 1-minute close right there. Could see sells. So now, if you, let's just hypothetically say some guy sold right here and he bought up here. And then some guy that sold right here has a stop loss up here. And then some hypothetical cartoon character guy, or maybe even a stop loss up here. And then the cartoon character guy that bought over here has a stop loss here. That would be called doing something that big banks do. That's actually not legal to teach. And that's how you don't lose. That's how you always win if you do it right. But that's a whole nother topic. Maybe for mentorship students that I can't promote. It starts with an H and ends with an edging. Yeah, look, we're breaking. We're breaking. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Way down we go, 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 go. Way down we go. Well, we broke. We tapped the bottom of our structure damn near perfectly, and then we rejected. So I'd like to at least see where this 15-minute candle closes, because if it closes above here, closes above the 845, that's nice. We're still okay. So let's see. I mean, if you're in buys, that is, right? If you're not H edging, then yeah. Pull up the live stream. Okay. I'll pull it up. Let's pull it up. Well, let me gonna be on YouTube, right? Federal Reserve. Oh yeah. What are we hitting? What are we pinging right now? Same thing we've been pinging for the last 3 hours. Okay. Hey, Powell's gonna come on and go, good afternoon, everyone. Like, one way or the other. One way or the other. It's gonna tank or it's gonna fly. Good morning, everyone. You know what I'll do? What's this? Tell me this is ingenious. Hey, this guy might be onto something. This guy might be onto something. He might be onto something. Look at NQ sell. Look at all these traders right here. Look at all these professional traders. All right, so everybody's saying buy gold, so sell it. Look, buy gold, sell it. Panic sell. Dump everything. He's gonna go good morning, and it's gonna fucking shoom. Way better. Yeah. There we go. Look at that. Look at that, guys. We're chilling. We're chilling. We're just hanging out. We're just a group of friends just hanging out. That's what we're doing here. Hey, we got 13 people in here, 14 likes. I appreciate y'all. We're just a group of friends hanging out, man. Just a group of friends hanging out. I make a little call real quick. Got to be able to eat some. Oh, hey, can you pick up food? Oh shit, you're going this late? What is it for? What is it for though? Is it like just one class or something? All right. Yeah, I'll send you the money if you want to go to Tsunami and then get food after. Okay. All right. All right, sounds good. All right, drive safe. All right, bye, Lewis. All right. I'm telling you, Powell's gonna come out and this thing's gonna do something. It's gonna do something. 2 minutes. 2 minutes till the market's going bananas. Look, she said 2 minutes, and the market said, "Oh," started rising. I'm gonna get on the 1 minute. Oh shit! It really did. It really did start rising. 2 minutes, guys. Powell's coming out. 2 minutes. Buy. I think that's what it's waiting for, to be honest. Whether it buys or sells, because this amount of liquidity, either side of it is weird. You usually see, some crazy shit happen, but I mean, we'll see. We'll see. $30-minute candle closure like this. 30-minute like that. That's actually a good sign. That's a good sign right there. That's a good sign. That's a good bullish sign right there. We had a settling out. We sold off, had a settling out. This actually does look pretty good. We'll see. We'll see how good it looks, Mr. Powell. We'll see how good it looks. Because remember, technicals don't mean anything when there's fundamentals happening. So keep that in mind. Oh, shit. Good afternoon. It actually did go up when he said that a little bit.
Have been delayed due to the shutdown. The public and private sector data that have remained available suggest that the outlook for employment and inflation has not changed much since our meeting in September. Conditions in the labor market appear to be gradually cool. In support of the goals and in light of the balance of risks to employment and inflation, today the Federal Open Market Committee decided to lower our policy interest rate by a 1/4 percentage point. We also decided to conclude the reduction of our aggregate securities holdings.
Nothing, US 30, huh? Nothing.
I will have more to say about monetary policy.
I don't think we're gonna have like
The other indicators suggested
crazy big move today. We already should have had it. So
GDP
no matter what happens, I think it's gonna be pretty slow.
In the first half of the year, down from 2.4% last year. Now, show that growth in economic activity may be on somewhat. Business investment in equipment and intangibles has continued to expand.
Look at the liquidity getting injected. I know you see that shit. Look at that. Liquidity just came in. That's what just happened. You saw the chart?
Likely reflects a decline due to lower immigration and labor force participation.
V50.
These are higher than the year as inflation for goods.
That's a good close.
In contrast, this inflation appears to be continuing for services.
If we get a strong 5-minute,
measures of inflation expectations have moved up on balance over the course of this year on news like tariffs, as reflected in both market and survey-based measures. Beyond the next year or two or so, however, measures of longer-term expectations are consistent with our 2% inflation goal. Our monetary policy actions are guided by our dual mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices for the American people. At today's meeting, the committee decided to lower the target range for the federal funds rate that quarter percentage point to 3.75% to 4%. Higher tariffs are pushing up prices in some categories of goods, resulting in higher overall.
As soon as he said tariffs, 5 minutes is all right.
Other business to ensure that increase in the price level does not become an ongoing inflation problem. In the near term, risks to inflation are tilted to the upside, but risks to employment to the downside. A challenging situation. There is no policy as we navigate.
We're tanking. We just tanked. We just tanked. You don't even see it yet. It hasn't even shown up on this chart yet. We're way below this. We're way below this. 200 points below that. Oh, if you hedge, look at that. I told you liquidity got injected right here. Whether it was up or down, you can't tell, but that was big sells going right here. That biggest sells right here. Look where we went. Right where I said. Should see if we'll keep selling. Probably. If we break through here, we'll be selling down to here.
December, we'll enter the next phase of our organization plans by holding the size of our balance sheet steady for a time. While reserve balances continue to move gradually lower.
If you want to sell this, you either sell it now and you hold through potential drawdown right here, or you wait until it comes up here and you sell it. But the chances of it coming back up, 50-50.
Goals for the monetary policy, maximum employment and stable prices. We remain committed to supporting our inflation rate to our 2% goal.
See you guys later.
Let's mention reduction of the policy is not.
So look, like I said, you can go right here. Said you can sell right here and let it rock and take the risk of some drawdown, or just kind of keep selling. So if you sold right here, you listen, you're up 100 points. You're about 100 points. 200 plus.
One made a decision about the summer. The two goals, the very long is clearly a situation. That has changed now. As we said, the go after this, rate neutral. So in that sense, it was a risk management. Uh,
Yep, told you. So now, this area. I hope you guys got some sales.
I would say it this way. Once again, I would just point out that we have a situation where the risks are to the upside for inflation and to the downside for employment. We're going to just look at the once we've got a different situation. So you have some people who have different look at faster or slower progress on all the other things. Also, we have different levels of risk aversion. People, some will be more opposed to inflation over and so you put that together, as you can see,
180 points right now.
the discussion that goes on between the movements and participants go out. It's not to be seen as a foregone conclusion, in fact, far from it.
Here's your chance. Here's your chance.
These are the various things that we see, we actually have.
Imagine this. This is somehow a giant grab,
For a long time, is that
and we just absolutely rocket ship off of here.
above what we consider.
Imagine that.
Sometimes you can have before, so it's why we have to have a gradual conditions. Really, as the research of you see more than the timing. I think it's your assessment that we're at that place. It is, you know, so it's not a lot of little bit of time to adapt.
Tell you what, now that this has happened, we get in the buys again. We literally,
And things like that. So you have a picture of what's going on in the labor market. And suggest that you continue very gradual, but nothing more than that. So that does give you some comfort.
we continue down through here. I would love to see us return here, here. Put it on top of this. But overall, US 30 is still very bullish. It doesn't matter about this. This is a big grab. These will probably be the best buys of your life right here.
I would say you're not going to be able to have the
Not financial advice.
So I think if there was significant or material change,
We could have some continuation, but somewhere around here could be really good buys. And I mean, already right now, it's proving to be 100 points up, but maybe not today. Maybe later today. Maybe after New York session ends. This will be the pullback. So when we're up here, when we're at 48,250, you'll be like, oh, that's what he was talking about. Might take a while. Might continue more, but we'll see. Check it out. That's just my homies for real. Hanging out. You hedge. I'll tell you what, you hedge. You're up. That'll happen for a time, but now it's
right now, it's like,
Holy shit, can this guy get a sentence out? Sorry, Jerome, but damn, bro. Fuck it, man. Dude, like, get down, but they fuck, dude. I can't be the only one that heard that. Poor Jerome. He's got a lot on his plate, man. Poor Jerome. Remember what I said? What I said? Buys of a lifetime right there. Potential buys of a lifetime.
And that's kind of a
Appreciate y'all hanging out.
And so that, it's 2.8, not including tariffs, might be 2.2 or 2.4.
Big handle, man.
Something like that. So that's not so far from
505. 400-point handle.
The thing about tariff inflation is
Roughly.
the base case is that it will come. And it probably will. Very focused this year. I think it's really that's the case. A really tight labor market. We don't see that. Inflation expectations. We don't see that. So, it's going to be again, the foreign services inflation is that isn't coming down. The local part of it should come down. It largely reflects our stock prices and our professional services that are included.
You know, I feel like this. Buy the dips till the dips don't buy. And you sell the highs till the highs don't sell. That's mine. I coined that. Everybody else says different. It'll line their ass off. Buy the dips till the dips don't buy. Sell the highs till the highs don't sell. Who bought down here with me? I'm just wondering. Who bought down here with me? Anybody? Anybody? Because we're up.
Yeah, thank you.
We're up.
Yes.
Turn back around. It would be really, 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 really nice if we could get a 1 hour close above here, especially above the 750. That would be huge because it would show us this candle is just a big, 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 big manipulative wick. Look at that. As soon as I say that, tanks 50 points. Yeah, we got resistance right here. That's why.
Big U.S. companies just investing in all resources and thinking about AI based on those things. I don't think that it's especially interest sensitive. It's based on what it's going to I don't know how these investments will work out, but I think they have particular interest sensitive compared to some of the other sectors.
That guy seems like a good guy. You saw that guy? He sounded like a good guy. He sounded like the type of guy that would like, you know, be there for you. He sounded like the type of guy that would get you a warm washcloth, you know, when you got a cold. Look at him, look at him. He looks like a good guy. That's a good guy right there. Look at him, look at him, look at him smile. That guy looks like a good guy. In the best way.
Again, I think something will happen with it.
Y'all make back the sales on these buys or what? It's, it's got it. As a sweetheart. Oh, that girl in the background, she's about her shit. She's trying to be president one day. That's what she's trying to do. That lady's trying to be president. You can see it in her. Holy shit, Jerome can hear everything. Holy fuck. Yo, Jerome looks like a fucking. Why am I just seeing this? Jerome's probably a pretty good guy too, but Jerome kind of has like some orchid. I got some like elf ears, you know, like pointed ears and shit. I got some outfit or somehow, but Jerome looks like he's got some orchid on it. I'm sure Jerome's a good guy, all right? Sorry, Jerome. This guy, he's married. He's got a microphone and head and matched the jacket to his hair. Look at her. Look at her. He can't have anything to do with it. Look at this good guy back here. He smiled when I said that he heard me. I'll make it a little more interesting. It was this Josh crack. Let everybody start leaving. They're like, yeah, Josh is over this shit. I am over it. But I do believe we're going to buy it. Ooh, did the 1 hour close? Oh, yeah, it did. It's a decent close. It's a decent. It's not perfect, but it's decent. I'm up quite a good bit from the bottom. We want to see it break right here. We want to see it break above 750. Break and close on the 1 minute / 5 minute. We'll know in the next few minutes if it's going to do that.
Reports of, big consumer-facing companies, are saying that there's a um,
All right, guys. I have a meeting 20 minutes. So you want to go watch that? Go watch it. Learn something. But I appreciate you guys hanging out. Hope you caught something with me. I know the original buys were no good. I hope you got in on those sells or did a little bit of that H edging I mentioned, kind of hypothetically mentioned. Appreciate you guys coming out. And yeah, if you H edged, then you are up big time. And you probably already closed out 30 minutes ago. So good job. And then if you bought those buys with me from the bottom, good job. Probably think about closing those out soon, or just seeing, at least if they don't break smaller time frame structures, come down and back to break even, or set stop loss break even, something like that. But appreciate you guys, and yeah, see you guys on the next one and in the free Telegram tomorrow morning, and maybe even tonight. Might call some trades off of all this volume we just got. So we'll see. See you guys. Peace out.